79%. 79%. My BattleBorn batteries were 79%. Yeah, can I get a large dark roast with 2 cream, 1 sugar? That is it. Thank you. When I went to go pick up my Ember RV today to go take it to Woody's, when I got to the farm where it's stored, the farmer told me he's had the heater on the whole time. It never got below 5 degrees Celsius. Of course, the trailer was as dry as could be. It looked exactly how I left it because it's been sitting indoors. Hello. Have a good one.
You too.
Timmy's. So I was really surprised to see 79%. I'm guessing because they were kept in the heat and, you know, kept that they were left at 100%. And I have to look at exactly how long it's been, but I think it's been about 2.5, 3 months. No, maybe 2 months. So it hasn't been like a full winter that they were stored. But 79% is where they were at when I dropped them off at 100%. When I took it over to Woody's RV to get the battery disconnect installed, I was really thinking, do I need the battery disconnect? Like, you know, I can just get away with leaving it connected through the winter, but let's face it, you know, I may not always have this storage area, and I don't ever want to have to go and pull the couch out just to disconnect it. I might have to leave it somewhere. Let's say I go all the way up to the Arctic Ocean and have some sort of major problem up there and I have to leave it behind and pick it up in spring or something weird like that. I want to be able to disconnect the batteries. So I'm still going forward with the disconnect. That just seems like the absolute wise choice. And I'll wait to talk to them on Monday to figure out exactly how it's going to get installed and all that. But I think we're all ready to go with that. But man, 79%. 79% really surprised me. I thought I might see like some 20 or 30%. But that's good to know. It's good to know that that system is holding charge for that long a period of time. And perhaps makes me a little less worried about some of the problems that I've been worried about here over the winter. Anyway, I'd like to know your thoughts. Should I still even get a battery disconnect? It seems like the answer is yes to me, but I'd like to hear what you think.